Alright, boys and girls, we're out here with the protocol Dura VR. I'll put some footage in there in the little box. I got it recording. So let's go. It doesn't have the, it doesn't have no flips or anything like that. There's the slow rate right there. You see the pitch. There's the high rate right there. Flies pretty good. It does that old diving into the ground deal like they usually do. Ooh. It's pretty nimble though, I'll tell you that. Oh yeah. Let's put it down in the second rate and see if it's not as extreme on the banking. Yeah, it's pretty nimble, man. Second rate it flies good enough for starter, you know, for new people. The second rate is plenty quick enough. Now let's try the compass mode, the headless mode out, see how that works. Okay, it works. There, see, I got the quad and I'm pushing forward, so it's going forward no matter what direction. So the headless mode works. The way you can do all these 360s and still keep your orientation. That's good. I'll put the flight time in too. I'll turn off the headless mode. So now it's off. I think the green lights flash when it was in that mode. Let's check out a little punch out. Well, I'll put it in the high rate for that. Yeah, it's slow as molasses, so it's okay. It's not the end of the world, guys. I want to see how the video looks on this thing. See if it's worthy. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got 2 batteries with it. It's your standard protocol stuff, you know, nothing major. Flies better than that spider drone, I can tell you that. Way better than that thing. Oh yeah, way better than Spidey. It gets a little ornery there when you're trying to turn into those bank turns. Wants to drop down a lot. You know, altitude hold quadcopters do that, so I mean that's just the way it is. That's life. It's an easy flyer though. It's pretty nimble. Now I don't know if it has a low battery mooring or not. Here's the yaw. I'm in the third rate, so we'll check the yaw out. I can't check flips because it doesn't have them. Yaw's pretty good. Oh, wait a minute. Come on now. Oh, shit. Big dummy. Oh, well. Can't have everything. Have a crash. Have a crash, man. Let me recalibrate. Now on this one, you just calibrate. You just pull it down, the right stick, down and out. Up, there we go. There's your warning. Oh man, I just missed it. Sacre bleu. Wee wee. Let me stop the video. What even tells you you're down to 12% of the battery. So that's pretty cool. And then the phone starts vibrating. So that's even another cool thing. Oh, shut up. Okay, that was pretty nice. I thought it flew real nice. The only issue I have with it is the pitch. It wants to dive into the ground a little bit, but other than that, man, it was very nimble. You know, very nimble. So, I'm happy with that. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. I'll put the flight time and all that in there. Thanks.